Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Apple Intelligence not showing in iPhone. So guys, if you are using any iPhone model and want to get Apple Intelligence, I'll help you how can you get this and how to fix that if it is not showing. So first of all, open your settings and now we will see that there's available or not. So guys, when I am going to click on Siri, then guys we will see that there is no option to turn on or turn off Apple Intelligence. So guys, no need to worry. You need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this scroll it down and guys you need to click on general and you need to check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, that is iOS 18.1 beta 7 or later. And guys, after this you will get Apple Intelligence in your iPhone. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still not get Apple Intelligence after doing all these method, then no need to worry. You have to open your Apple Sport app, select your iPhone and click on more. And after this guys, you can see here is the option of Apple Intelligence. Click on it and now you need to wait for some seconds here. So guys, after this you will see here the option of call. Click on it and guys you need to call at these numbers and you have to tell your problem that there is no option to turn on Apple Intelligence, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the easy way to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.